hair sucks today. Just doesn't want to stay in his place. Oh well, we're gonna go with it. Hey everybody! Oh, I just pushed my hair. That's awkward. Oh man. It's gonna be a long intro, I have a feeling. Hey everybody, so I am here with a super minimal makeup routine. This routine is very, very simple. It's very, very easy. You could be a monkey to do this look. I usually do this look on like the weekends, or well, not really the weekends because I work on the weekends, but I do it on my days off or when I'm just going out to like run an errand. Like today I'm just going out to run a quick errand and then I'm coming right back here, so I didn't want to do a full-on face of makeup that took 20 minutes long. So this is really, really quick. I'm pretty sure this might even be under 5 minutes to do, and if you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. bye.